In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track team check-ins via Notion and Slack. This integration is a great way to keep your team connected and ensure that everyone is on the same page with their projects, making teamwork more streamlined and effective. To kick things off, start by going to your connected workspace for Wiki, Docs, and projects on Notion. Once you're on the page, you'll see the Notion home screen, which serves as the central hub for all your documents and projects. If you don't already have a workspace set up, you may want to consider creating one to better organize your team activities. Next, locate the Login button at the upper right corner of the page and click on it. As you log into your account, make sure your credentials are correctly entered to avoid any delays. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually an option to reset it, so don't worry. Upon successfully logging in, head over to the Notion home. This is where you'll find all your saved pages and projects. It provides an intuitive interface, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with where everything is located if you're new to Notion. From the home screen, your next step is to click on Headings. This option is usually found in your User Profile menu. Accessing the settings will lay the groundwork for customizing your notifications to suit your team's needs. Keep in mind that the settings afford a wide range of customizations, which can be tailored to match your workflow seamlessly. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Notifications section. Notifications play a vital role in keeping your team members informed about recent check-ins and updates. Make sure to review and adjust your preferences here, so you only receive alerts that are most pertinent to your team. After configuring your notifications, look for the Slack Notifications option. Enabling this feature will allow Notion to communicate directly with Slack, sending all necessary alerts straight to your Slack workspace. It's vital because it cuts down on the need to have multiple applications open, thus improving focus and productivity. Finally, select Add New Account to link your team's Notion workspace with Slack. This will prompt a brief setup process, usually requiring authorization for the two services to communicate with each other. Ensure you're logged into your Slack workspace when initiating this process to save time. After following these steps, your team will now receive check-in notifications and updates directly through Slack, ensuring everyone stays informed in real time. With just these simple steps, you've successfully integrated Notion with Slack, allowing you to efficiently track team check-ins. Your team will appreciate the seamless communication and streamlined workflow, providing more time to focus on the task at hand. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore other features within these platforms for even more productivity gains.